Okay, we are going to change this non-digital thermostat for a digital one. This one here is the Honeywell Home RLV4305 digital thermostat. It's got the programmable areas here, and it looks super easy to install. It's only got 2 leads. It's good for 220 or 240, and yeah, this will be very easy to install. I'll just show you how to put this in. Now that I flip the breaker off, we test again. There. That circuit's been cut. All right. Okay. So, very simple. We've got 240 here, which means there's 120 there and 120 there, creating 240. Just disconnect the one lead and the other. Now in this case, you can go either to whichever side you want. Just connect the two together. Like that. And like that. Go. Locked up. Just to line up these screws here with this. Right side up helps. Oh yeah, easier to read that way. All right, start the bottom one. Top one in. Now you see there's holes here and here. This is sticking a little bit too far over there for my liking, so I am just going to change that. I think yeah, I prefer it over here. Okay. Start the bottom one. Work on the top one. Looks good. All right, I'll turn the power back on. Display here, day, hour, minute, program, and then return. So I'll just start, and it just tells you here how to do it. I could run through it with you, but it all says right here. Pretty simple. So that was about as easy as it gets to wire in 240 volt thermostat. Now the instructions, as I showed you before, they're all right there. Easy to do. I've already programmed it. It's all set up, ready to go. Yeah, that's about it. You know, if you have proper wiring, proper grounding, you know, 2 leads. That's about as basic as you can get it. So don't be afraid. Try it out. As long as you do have the proper wiring and grounding, proper breakers. Turn your power off. You know, ask a friend who maybe knows, give you a hand. But like I said, don't be afraid. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.